Okay, this video is going to be a quick one, and it's just about the center lines. So you see the center lines on this object? It's a Lego piece. For those of you who haven't been alive in the last 50 years. Anyway, the center line denotes the center of an object, right? Just make sure you remove these before you submit your patent application, because the drawings cannot contain center lines. And they do this for a very good reason. A lot of people feel that they can submit the blueprints that they've created for their product along with the rest of their patent drawings. You know, because most people, when they develop a product, they already have the concept. If they've already arrived at the stage of submitting a patent, they've already gotten the designs. But oftentimes they're in a blueprint format. So they just have to make sure to remove some of those markings before they submit. Anyway, hope this is helpful. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.